I'll recover Snapchat lost streak. To recover a lost Snapchat streaks, you can use the built-in restore button or submit an official request through the Snapchat support website. So if you open the Snapchat app onto your device and log in, you could go to the chat sections and here you should be able to find the restore button. Usually when you've completed your snaps and you could find the restore button, it's gonna last for about an hour or for 24 hours. You could find it and simply tap onto it, and that's basically how you'll be able to restore or recover your Snapchat lost streak. Likewise, if you cannot find the restore button right on the very page, you then need to tap the Bitmoji from the top left corner of the screen. Go to the gear icon at the very top, scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and locate I lost my Snapchat streaks. You could go to how do I restore my Snapchat streaks, and you could go ahead and read all these articles. Otherwise, you could go ahead and select the contact us button or help center and simply go ahead and submit a request stating that you've lost your streaks and you'd like to recover. You have to provide some of the evidence and all that as well, and that's how you will be able to recover a Snapchat lost streak. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.